Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that McCulloch Power Mac 700. That's the 4.3 cubic inch 70cc motor. Popular saw in the late 70s, early 80s. Cable running up to a 32-inch bar. This one features a 24-inch bar and chain, and that's 3/8. And they're both used. The bar and chain is used. Got about half-life left on the chain. And this was a surplus 4-service saw, and of course they don't get a whole lot of use, so it'd be a great saw for the collectors, or if you're going to cut some firewood, you may have to do a little tuning on it. It does run good. We'll go out and make a cut with it, but it is vintage. It's got the override on the oiler. It's got an automatic oiler plus a manual. Got a kill switch right in the middle. Choke on the other side there, right there, and a decompression valve, which is needed. Pretty high compression engine. Got a working chain brake. And a falling spike over here. And to tension the chain, loosen the two nuts up right on the inside there. Right here is your tensioner. And just a good old surplus vintage McCulloch chainsaw. We'll go out and make a cut with it.